So you want to adopt a cat, but then you remember you have a cat named Puss in Boots and you happen to be a green ogre with a lovable donkey sidekick. Well, that's true, then you just might be Shrek. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we're back once again. Today looking at how to use subsurface scattering in Blender 4.4. Let's get started right away. Let's go ahead and split my window into two pieces here by putting my cursor in the top left-hand corner, just splitting that into two like that, and then just changing this to the shader editor, of course, as always. Now I'm going to get rid of that. Now, if you zoom in here and we go to render viewport shading and we open up this principal BSDF over here, you can see this has a little subsurf section. Let's open that up. And if we put the weight on 1, you notice it does basically nothing. You can slightly see a little bit of a thing there, right? So if you see, like, if I put it on 0, put it on 1, it's slightly there. But the problem is you might want a little bit more than that. So let's go ahead and bump the scale up. There you go. So now you have that glorious, beautiful subsurf. But you can see from this angle, it really doesn't have too much. So it kind of only shows the subsurf on areas where a light is directly hitting it, as you can see. So right there, boom. Then as soon as we switch over, it kind of has a lot less. But if we go to the material of this cube here, default cube, go to the material tab and scroll on down, you can see we can hit down here, thickness from shadow, and then boom, as you can see, like the holy grail, it just appears in front of us. It just, like a ghost, it just appears and then vanquishes when I remove it. Boom. From shadow makes that look amazing. You can also turn on ray trace transmission, and you can also go to the main tab here and hit on ray tracing as well if you're using different things with materials, but that's beside the point. As you can see, boom, now we have that amazing looking subsurf. If you want to go ahead and change the color, you can of course go ahead and change the color from the using these little sliders here. Maybe a little bit more red, a little bit more greenish. Maybe you want to do like a plant or something like that. I don't know what you're doing. You could be doing something, maybe a little bit of a blue subsurf. Ooh, nice. But of course, you can also just always leave it as like a nice little skin tone there, and then just create like a different color here. You know, get one of those in there like that. There you go. So now we have a nice little skin shader, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that super simple subsurface. Or there was they actually changed this a while ago, so I figured it might be time to make another subsurf video, because they have changed the way this looks. So there you go. If you need to know how to do that, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you guys in the next video, but until then, bye bye.